taped to my bedroom door. Inside was an invoice, $325 monthly bedroom usage fee. At first I laughed. I thought it was a joke. It wasn't. My roommate had highlighted our lease and claimed that because he spent more time in the common areas, I should pay extra since I used my bedroom more. He even added a $15 late fee because I opened the envelope 2 days after he made it. So I paid him with Monopoly money. He didn't notice until he tried depositing it at the bank. Then he stormed home demanding real cash. Instead, I handed him a real invoice. 1 month of entertainment from watching you explain Monopoly money to a bank teller. $325. He moved out the following weekend. I still have the fake invoice framed in my hallway. Every guest asks about it, and it's still the cheapest entertainment.